guys, so welcome to my skate journey week 4. I am so glad to be sharing this portion of my journey with you folks. So far I've been trying to learn how to do the snake walk. I've been doing lateral crossovers. I've been trying to perfect the 2-foot spin. I can only go halfway on that one. Please, please, please do not compare your progress to mine because everybody is different. Everyone has different abilities. So let the video commence.
They got a job in the city.